All right, in this video, I wanted to give you another recursive example. This one will walk through the greatest common divisor algorithm. It's a pretty simple recursive function. So the idea here is you have two numbers and you want to find the greatest common divisor. So to do that, let's stub a function here. Go highest common factor. One, num2, and let's just print that out. All right, so this will be our recursive function. Let's, stub that out. All right, so the way this algorithm works, if you put in two numbers, remember recursion, you want to start with your end state. Your end state in this particular algorithm is if one of these numbers is 0. Let's just do the second one. So if num2 not equal to 0, we're going to do something. Otherwise, we're going to return the first number. So if number 2 is 0, we return number 1 as our answer. If number 2 is not 0, what we want to do is recursively call this function and pass it number 2. But we also want to pass the remainder of number 1 divided by number 2. So num1 mod num2. All right, so this should, there you go, should be it. So 59 for those particular numbers. I kind of used some baked numbers, but let's put in something maybe like 360 and 60. That should return 60, and it does. Do like 16 and 12. That should be 4, I believe. Yep. There you go. There's recursive greatest common divisor, highest common factor. Pretty simple algorithm.